Hey everyone, welcome. Today, we will explore a fundamental component of effective communication, the 4 types of conjunctions. First, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the linking words that connect words, phrases, or clauses to create unified and consistent sentences. Without them, our speech would sound broken and incomplete. There are 4 distinct types, each with a specific role in sentence construction. Number 1. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions connect elements of equal grammatical importance, such as words, phrases, or independent clauses. They are easily remembered using the acronym, FANBOYS. Which means, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Example, I plan to attend the lecture, but a scheduling conflict arose. You may submit the report today, or you can request an extension. Here, the words, but, or, joins 2 independent clauses of equal weight. Number 2, subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions link a dependent clause, which cannot stand alone, to an independent clause, establishing relationships such as cause, time, or condition. Common examples include, because, although, since, if, when, unless. Example, the meeting was postponed because the speaker was unavailable. We will proceed if all requirements are met. The words, because, if, points the reasons for the action. Number 3, correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions function in pairs to connect balanced ideas within a sentence. Examples include either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. Example, the candidate is not only qualified but also highly experienced. The project requires both teamwork and individual effort. These pairs emphasizes 2 complementary qualities. Lastly, number 4, conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs serve as transitional words, linking ideas across sentences or clauses while adding emphasis or clarification. Examples include, however, therefore, moreover, consequently, nevertheless. Example, the deadline was approaching, therefore, the team prioritized the task. The data was inconclusive, however, further analysis is underway. Here, the words, therefore, however, indicates the result of the situation. Quick recap, coordinating conjunctions connect elements of equal importance. Subordinating conjunctions link dependent and independent clauses. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to balance ideas. Conjunctive adverbs provide transitions and emphasis. Mastering these conjunctions will enhance the clarity and sophistication of your writing and speech. See the next lesson on how better to use conjunctions.